So what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Handy Danny, and hopefully I'm trying to get a good view here, but I'm always trying to get a good view. This is the story of my life, man. Trying to get a good view on my camera. It's hard work. I'm trying to hurry up. Been out all day, tired, been working all day, and have this door here, and the hinges here are toe ups and the flow up. And basically what I need to do is I need to route out these hinges. I'm gonna put this template on here, and then I'm going to show you what I'm working with and what I gotta do. All right, so right here, as you can see, the hinges, the homeowner tried to cut the hinges themselves, and they are raggedy. But I got this Ryobi template here, and what I plan on doing here is, to get a good view of that, is recutting the hinges with my Milwaukee router here. And I just want to set my depth. I just want to just clean up what he's done, and just set the depth here. Whatever's kind of stuck. All right. We just want to just trim it up. I want to go a little deeper. All right, so I'm gonna move this template down to the next hole and show you what that template, what that hole looks like right there. So as you can see, it's a lot cleaner, it's a lot more put together versus what we have there versus what we have there. So put this back over here, just cut this one up real quick. All right, one more to do. All right, you guys got me in the view there. Got that a little bit better. We get that a little bit more. Drop it down a little bit. All right, got it all put together. Throw this in the truck. All right, let's go hang a door.